The tax filing season opened on Monday, and at a time when it seems like everything is going up, tax refunds this year are expected to go down. From a change in tax credits to pandemic-era support that's expiring, we're working for you to uncover some of your tax questions.
Yeah, CBS 8's Jenny Day is here in the studio with what you can do to kind of help yourself in this lovely time of year.
Yes,
Jenny.
pros and cons for sure, right? So those W-2s are starting to show up, and many of you might be relying on tax refunds. But a lot of people won't be getting as much back this year. A lot of the tax credits are returning to the 2019 level. For example, the child tax credit in 2021 was $3,600. For this year's filing, it will only be $2,000 per kid. Also, for those who are lower income and qualified for the earned income tax credit, they received $1,500 in 2021 and will now only get back $500 this year. Some things that you can do for the future, though: talk to your tax preparer about your plans. There are a lot of incentives to become more energy efficient. It can literally pay to educate yourself about what's out there.
There's actually over 1,200 tax credits, and that might give you an idea of how many get missed, right? But there's lots of really lucrative tax credits that are new for this year for things like buying electric vehicles, installing adaptations to your house so that you can charge those electric vehicles. And we're seeing this new credit for those who are saving.
Yeah, so also, if you qualified and do not receive your California middle class tax refund by Valentine's Day, there's a number that you can call to hopefully get that corrected during this tax season. We'll be sure to put that number on CBS8.com. And the IRS did hire 5,000 more people this year to help, but they are still working through that pandemic backlog. Filing electronically, always faster. You can expect to get that smaller refund, in about 3 weeks. The deadline to file this year, April 18th.
Did you do your taxes?
Not yet.
I've got all the paperwork lined up. I have not done them yet.
Oh, no.
You know, like January 25th
It's too
or whatever.
early. It's too early.
It's too early.
I'll file an extension in October.
There you go. Yeah.
At least like March or April. But it's good that we're getting the information out early so
Absolutely.
people can plan. Thanks
Absolutely.
so much, Jenny.